or treats and candy popcorn.
Hey y'all, this is Cooking with Killaa featuring her sister, Kaya.
You gotta wash the apples, okay? And take them little things out. Okay, wash them apples. Take the apples out the hot water, okay? Set them over here. Your little apple skewer thing. We're gonna dry them off, okay? They're loud. I'm sorry. You're gonna take it and alright. Stick it deep in there. So we got some apples done. Okay, brown is good. Brown means the wax is off. Do that. Make it brown. Put the little sticks in. Then we're going to go on to the next step. Alright, so since we doubled the recipe because we got 37 apples, how you like them apples? You heard me? So we're going to take this 2 cups. There's already 2 cups in here. Okay, we're going to pour it in there. Alright, my mama put two tablespoons of salt in there. You gotta do like this. So we're gonna get this K-Rose syrup. 2 cups?
2 cups.
Woo, that's a lot.
Pour it in and use a spatula to get the rest off.
Whoa, sticky, icky, ricky. That's gonna be a lot. Sweetened condensed milk, okay?
Use your spatula too.
Ooh, I can make a design. K-I-M-M-A-K.
Really? It's taking too long for that.
In the kitchen, what's it like? Wait, what is it called? In the kitchen, what's it like? Stir fry. Stir it up. Watch it all dissolve. Making that at caramel. And I still got my apples. About to dip them in this sauce. And
Alright,
it'll be
now
so
turn
good.
it on and you'll be back when the temperature reaches 250 degrees.
2 years and they only had 2 years to go. And I'm like looking at stir until you know, it starts ready. Yeah, until it's ready, which is like when it starts boiling, then you put your candy thermometer in there. Then when it reaches about 200, 250, then it's good to go. Then you just dip it in.
I just wipe it off. Yeah.
Dip the apple.
300. So you're gonna put it up? She said she would do one room this
You wanna do it fast before your caramel
so y'all can see the couch.
before your caramel dry. And some of them we gonna put some nuts on it. So my mom over here putting some nuts on it.
Oh.
Take these out of the wrappers and stick them like we did the apple. Okay. These little sticks, use them. Take your wax paper, put it on the little sheet.
I just gotta see how I feel tomorrow.
Jalapeno poppers.
Yeah. I have a lot of left.
What's that?
God.
Like these.
You pushing me to that.
Taking the SpongeBob's and we're drizzling the chocolate on them.
Right now we got some Rice Krispie Drizzle. We was gonna dip them in chocolate, but
That's too much.
that's doing too much. So we just drizzling them right now. See, what you do is you get the chocolate melter, you mix it up, you let it sit for a little bit, and then you mix it until your chocolate is nice and melted and looks like this. You put it in the bag, cut the ends, and drizzle it just like frosting.
Boom.
Y'all learn from the best.
Me?
Here, you're wasting a lot of. And that's how you do it.
We finna go over to the candy popcorn, okay? So now we over to the popcorn machine, okay? We about to make some candy popcorn, boo. Candy popcorn. Pop it out, boo boo. Pop that corn. Now we're gonna take our popcorn. We're gonna put our popcorn in the bowl, okay? We're gonna do blue candy popcorn, okay? Popcorn mix, 2 cups of sugar. 2 cups of sugar. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. 1/2 cup of water. 1/2 light corn syrup. Stop! Bring this to a boil and let it boil for 5 minutes without stirring it. But for now, we're gonna stir it. And I'm gonna stir like we stirred the what's it called? The caramel, caramel or caramel?
Either one.
I think it's caramel. So now this is starting to come to a little boil. Let me show y'all. And we're gonna let that go. Can you see? Alright, we're gonna let that go for 5 minutes without being stirred. Then we're gonna turn it off. Then we're gonna stir again. Then we're gonna leave it alone, okay? So, yeah. So we're gonna turn it off. It's been 5 minutes. And we're gonna cut the timer off, okay? We're gonna take this blueberry flavoring and this royal blue food coloring, and we're only gonna add a little bit of this.
It's gel.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, yeah, way too much, but that's alright.
So we're gonna pour this, you know, what we just made into the
Popcorn. Alright.
Alright, you can use it.
Yeah, you do. Yeah.